Scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 32. Today we are going through the Sooktha 10 of RIG VEDA-Mandal-1. In this, the Devata is Indra. If we are doing any work, to complete that work, we should coordinate the activity. Likewise, if we are doing any work inside the system, certain chemical changes are in every activity is related with some chemical changes or structural changes inside the system. So that activities are coordinated by an unknown force that is known as INDRA. Based on this, we can go through the first mantra and let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10 1 ഋഷി മധുഛന്ദസ് ദേവത ഇന്ദ്രൻ ഛന്ദസ് അനുഷ്ടുപ്പ് ഗായന്തിതോ ഗായത്രിനോ അർച്ചന്ത്യ അർക്കമർക്കിണഃ ബ്രഹ്മാണസ്ത്വാ ശതക്രത ഉദ്വംശൈവ ഏമിരേ.
It says Indra is doing a number of things, thousands of crores of things for us. That means we are doing a number of things, production activities. A number of production activities are taking place in this universe for producing different types of things. In all the activities, Indra is taking part and completing the activity. So, it says singers, and all type of other persons who are involving in different types of activities are praising you with the Vedic Sookthas or Mandras, because Indra will perform work only based on science. In what all things we are doing, there is some science. Then only that action will become complete. So Indra is taking part in that activity to complete that work. So Indra is following this science behind it. So we are praising Indra with the Vedic stances. And thus Indra comes there. So by praising Indra, actually they are doing to invite Indra in that activity. Now let us go through the next second mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10 2 യത് സാനോ സാനുമാരുഹത് ഭൂർ യസ്പഷ്ടകർത്തും തദിന്ദ്രോ അർത്ഥം ചേതതി യൂഥേന വിഷ്ണിരേജതി.
It says people are moving from one place to another to do work, because nowadays we are doing work in different areas. Sometimes it may be far away places in other countries also. We are seeking job there. So that is related with the movement of the Mandras. Mandras is the 49 big systems that is a part of the structure of the universe that we have already seen. So due to the influence of these mothers, we are forced to do work at different places, and there also Indra is there to help us in our activity. So there also Indra comes to help us, to support our activity. If we are doing the work, they also Sookttas or based on scientific terms. Now let us go to the third mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-3 ഇക്ഷ്വാഹി കേശീന ഹരി വൃഷണ കക്ഷ്യപ്രാ അഥാന ഇന്ദ്ര സോമപ ഗിരാം ഉപശ്രുതിം ചരാ.
It says Indra is coming with his horse which possesses a number of hairs. As per Veda, horse is represented by horses. Horses with hairs means we know a force can be resolved into several directions. We apply a force depending on the direction of the force, the part will move. Hairs on force means hairs are in different direction. This force can be act in different direction. We can apply force in different direction. If we want to join two things, we should press it. It is acting in this way. If we want to break it, we should apply it in a different way. So, a force can be applied in several directions. So, Indra is coordinating the activity. So, Indra is coming with his horse which possesses hairs in different directions. Thus, Indra come with such a force to coordinate the activity. So we are supplying the soma, that is the input. When we supply the input, Indra comes with his force with several hairs which are in different directions. Now let us go through the fourth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-4 ഏഹി സ്തോമാം അഭിസ്വരാഭി ഗൃണീഹ്വാരുവാ ബ്രഹ്മ ച നോ വസോ സചേന്ദ്ര യജ്ഞം ച വർദ്ധയാ.
It says Indra should support our Sooktha or science that we are applying. If he pleased with the science or Sooktha, he will dance along with us and he will complete the work. So, we should apply the inputs into the system in a systematic way, in a scientific way. Then only Indra will come there and complete that work to give the product. Now let us go through the fifth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-5 ഉക്തമിന്ദ്രായ ശംസ്യം വർദ്ധനം പുരുനിഷിദ്ധേ ശക്രോ യഥാ സുദേഷുണോരാരണത് സഖ്യേഷു ച.
It also says that Indra is capable to oppress any hindrance or defeat the enemy who is standing against our action. Suppose we want to move a body, the body is opposing it due to the attraction between the body and the earth. So we should apply force. So we are inviting Indra along with his force to move the body forward. So the body is opposing, and Indra is capable to oppose that body, defeat that, oppose that. Indra is capable to defeat that opposing force, and it will move the body forward. So, Indra is capable to defeat any enemy which opposes our action. If we apply science there, if we try to do the work scientifically. Now let us go through the sixth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-6 തമിത് സഖിത്വ ഈമഹേ तं राये त्वं सुवीर्ये स शक्र उदन शकदिन्द्रो वसु दयमानः.
We are inviting Indra in this action to get money or wealth or to get more product. We are doing any work to get any product, and by selling those products we will get money, or it will really improve our financial status. So we are inviting Indra to make us prosperous, wealthy and everything like that. So that is what this mantra says. Now let us go through the 7th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-7. സുവിവ്രതം സുനിരജമിന്ദ്ര ത്വാദാതമിത് യശഃ ഗവാമപവ്രജം വൃധി കൃണുഷ്വ രാധേ അദ്രിവഃ.
It says that Indra possesses Vajra sword. Vajra means diamond, a hard material, a sword made of hard material. So then it can break the molecules or atoms or anything in the system. If we are doing any work, suppose we want to break a stone, we are applying pressure to cut it. So Indra came there, and with this Vajrayudha or Vajra sword or diamond sword, it breaks the bond between these atoms. Then only breaking of the stone is possible. So Indra is coming with his sword, which is very hard, so that it can cut any material. If we are cooking food, some chemical changes are taking place inside the material, so that the bonds are to be broken, due to which the material become soft and soft. So in any process, a number of breaking and joining operations are taking place, and Indra is doing this with his sword. That is what it says, due to which we are getting enough Gokal. Gokal means products, so many products. Now let us go through the 8th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-8. നഹിത്വാ രോദസീ ഉഭേ കൃഖായമാണമിന്വതഃ ജേഷസ്സർവധീരൂപഃ സംഗ അസ്മഭ്യം ധുനുഹി.
It says Indra is forcing the cloud in the upper atmosphere and breaking the clouds and forced to rain. That is why, due to which we are getting very good food grains, growth of plants become very good, and we will get enough money due to cultivation or anything like that. So Indra is helping us in that way also. It helps to combine the charged clouds. Different types of clouds are there with different charges. It forces to combine these two, and that results in the fall of rain. Now let us go through the 9th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-9. ആശ്രുത്കർണശ്രുതി ഹവംനൂ ചിദ്ദധിഷ്വ മേ ഗിരഃ ഇന്ദ്രസ്തോമമിമം മമ കൃഷ്വാ യുജചിത് അന്തരം.
It says Indra is taking part in all activity that is taking place in this universe. Suppose we are cooking food, Indra is there to help us. At the same time, others may be doing some other works. Indra is also there to help there. So it tells Indra to give more attention to us. Now let us go through the next mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-10 വിദ്മാഹി ത്വാ വൃഷന്തമം വാജേഷു ഹവനശ്രുതം വൃഷന്തമസ്യ ഹൂമഹ ഊദീം സഹസ്രസാതമാം.
It says, Indra hears our Sooktha or Vedic mantra or science that we are using in producing something. There Indra came there with his Vajrayuda and he defeats the enemy there. A fight is taking place inside the system. For example, if we are cooking food, cooking rice, the rice is hard. We are applying force to make it soft. But at the initial stage, that rice is opposing. It will not become soft quickly. It is opposing. So a fight is taking place with the energy and the bond inside the material. So Indra is coming there to take part in that fight, and he defeats the reaction. We are applying force. So every force there is opposite force, that is reaction. So he defeats the reaction and completes the work to get the product. Now let us go to the next mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-11 ആതൂന ഇന്ദ്ര കൗശിക മന്ദസാന സുതം പിബ നവ്യമായോ പ്രസൂതിര കൃധി സഹസ്രസാം ഋഷീം.
It also says that we are giving the soma or inputs to the Indra in the system. So, and invites Indra to accept that soma. Actually, the inputs are taken up by the force that is coordinating the activity in the system, that is Indra. He takes up this input and gives out the output. So he tells Indra to give us different types of thousands of products by accepting these inputs. We are giving different types of inputs to produce different types of things. Sometimes we may be producing radio, sometimes we may be producing some other machine or anything like that. Wherever there is action take place, Indra will come there to complete that work. In every work, some chemical changes or rearrangement is taking place. If we are making a table, we are first splitting the wood and then they are joining together. So in all such activities, Indra is coordinating. Now let us go through the next mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 10-12 പരിത്വാ ഗീർവണോ ഗിര ഇമാം ഭവന്തു വിശ്വതഃ വൃദ്ധായുമനുവൃദ്ധയോ ജുഷ്ടാ ഭവന്തു ജുഷ്ടയഃ.
It says Indra loves our studies or mantra that we are using to produce such things. That means Indra will do only those works which are done in a scientific way. If you apply a less force to break a stone, Indra will not take part in that action. To break that stone, we should apply sufficient force. Then only when Indra will split that stone. So, the means to do any work, we should give these inputs and other energy etc. in sufficient quantity as per science principle. We should do it scientifically. Then only Indra will accept that study and will take up that work to convert into the product.